This time on building terminology, the gable. So the gable is the portion of a wall above the level of the eaves that encloses the end of the space under the pitched roof. So basically that area highlighted in yellow in the picture. The gable emulates the pediment used in classical architecture. And in classical architecture, that area would have been decorated or have sculptures or names or that sort of stuff up in that area. Many variations of the gable shape have been developed, including gables and stepped or curved sides.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.